I did not share with you is one, I know you're diabetic, and two, you're kind of gaining weight because that coat looks tight as hell on you.
No,
Wait, what?
wait, no, wait. He didn't mean it. Stop.
What?
Hold on. No, 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 no. He's not
I don't know if
overweight.
you could fix it. I don't know if you could fix it,
He needs
Kathy.
to
I don't
run
know.
some
No.
laps around
Hold,
AP a
hold
little
your
bit. That's
hold
all
your
I'm saying.
mic. Hold your mics. He's not overweight. He actually had gone through an extended process of y'all stressing him out. So he had a day where he indulged in his favorite hors d'oeuvres. So please excuse him. He's pleasantly plump, not overweight. Please be
He can
respectful.
go. All I'm saying is he can go a couple more weeks without indulging.
No, he cannot. No, he's good. He's just gonna go on a calorie deficit. He'll be all right. You guys done made him cry. So I think for making him cry, we can do an activity. Jumping jacks. Let's see him. We're gonna do some jumping jacks, and maybe that'll motivate our FG to hmm, lose a little weight. Thank you, Sir Randall, Sir Mike. If we don't want to do jumping jacks, I know another activity that you guys seem to love. At least earlier, y'all did. All right, jumping jacks. We'll do a couple while I wrap this up. So, real quick, while you guys are doing jumping jacks, I'm going to give you something real quick. So, tonight I'm going to try to host a fun activity, but that would require that we behave ourselves for the rest of the afternoon. So, Bam Bam, HP, um, Sir Condo, follow. Uh, yeah, so right now, hard hats have 30 minutes worth of watches. That'll start when we dismiss. Soft
I was like, who's already shooting? Oh, he's gonna do a 1v1 with you.
I'm here, Mr. Clean.
Oh
Wait,
wait, why didn't you wait till I pressed the 3 shot?
where was the goal? I was
Putting my Dutch down. I hope you don't plan on going
I
anywhere
tried.
because I'm good. I'm gonna come find you.
Medkit. Give me medkit, please. Beers.
Yeah, see, it's crazy. You know better than use your faction weapon because you know what type time I'm gonna be on. Oh, maybe you should go grab one. Yeah. Oh, you scared? It's okay. It's alright, FG. You don't gotta deny it. You're scared to grab your faction one. Oh, you had a vest on,
Damn.
didn't you? You had a vest on, didn't you?
my turn. My
I
turn.
hit you like 6 times. Eh, I'm
Wait, do you got a level?
sorry, but
Do you have a level 8? Wait, but I want to
he's
try to
just
take
upset.
you.
He's just upset he stepped on the scale and it asked him to get off.
Sir Bam Bam, stop digging yourself a hole.
I was trying to dig 2 holes, but he's gonna fit in just the one.
Oh, that sounds a little suspect.
He's over here.
He ran away. Negative.
Wait, I wasn't doing anything. No, let me heal. This is another minute. I miss my old tricks.
Damn, you just keep dying over and over.
The only thing. The only one that owes you an apology is the food store that keeps selling you shit. If only you would put the food down.
Mr. Edon, I got you today. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere today. Wait, Mr. Edon, wait.
If you would just hire a doctor, this would go by
Mr.
so much
Aidan.
quicker.
You see, FGC he logged up. FGC he logged up. That's the guy I was telling you that he doesn't speak English.
Fuck you!
Why you sound like you?
I thought it was FG for a minute.
You bald-headed, big-body bitch.
Wait, what was that?
I didn't hear nothing. Did you hear anything? Nobody heard it.
I thought FG said something.
Done.
I didn't hear
I'm just starting. I'll be up in 19 seconds. You could at least put me in a body bag. Get him away from me! I can't figure out where my taser is! No! Oh no!
Damn, you got slow. Oh no.
I'm out of stamina. God damn it! I'll come back for you.
I'm diabetic.
Oh yeah, I don't know, sir.
Bruh, what is AC 130? Can someone please tell me
Can
what
you
is
please tell
AC?
him to get off the walkie?
Yeah, we gotta free that's Sir Rain. He has a gift of gab and it's never substantial.
Bruh. Bruh.
As he runs.
No! Oh, you mother. No, not even close. I got 2,000 more bullets to waste. Yes, 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 it is. Don't go nowhere. I was just telling you the truth.
Hi, Sir Rain. 10-4, thank you, Sir Rain.
Are you running? Are you scared? Do that.
Why can't we just hug it out? We could just hug it out. You had the weapon out first.
Bruh, why you running to us?
Using
Sir Bam Bam, you ain't. Why are you running over here? Oh,
Oh, shit.
Oh, now go Fraser.
oh.
Alright, guys. Y'all have a good night. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
I
It's
know
been
that
a
whooping hurt.
wonderful day.
I know that whooping hurt, boy.
I know. I know you
Oh,
running out.
you're gonna be mad now.
Hey, yo, I think I knocked a few pounds off you, bro.
Hey, yo.
Let's go, Mr. Tony. Yo, I got bets on you, so
But yeah, you said that was the last match, so I guess it's over now. You said it.
Oh shit. My bad. Okay. Nah, my bad. I'm ready now.
You would have had me too, so I didn't know you came back. Oh man. Oh, I hope you were recording that moment. I lost safe today.
John, be fast, be fast, be fast. I have just 1 minute to use in this game.
Yep. Okay.
GG's. Now you need the 1-2-1 pause.
Got you.
We're not gonna count that. If you like, say got you 20 times. We are not gonna count that.